We got the Jumpsport, and
Yes, we do.
so Ava, how do you do this?
So what you have to do when you get on a trampoline is you start like this.
Okay.
Then you bend down a little bit in order to get some coordination. And then you just jump in the air. You feel free. And then it bounces back. And then as you jump, it's good to jump for about 10 minutes. And then if you don't stop jumping for 10 minutes, maybe you can build your way up to 30 minutes a day. And it's a great workout. It's fun. You can listen to music while you're jumping. You can dance. Sometimes it's good to do a jump like this and hold in your abs. And then other times you can go like this and do, what is this called? Jumping jacks? So yeah, that is how we are jumping every day for the new year.